The moment of truth has come, guys. I've tried before, I want to try it again. Hey! Chimamang Mamchero. Oh, didn't come out for the fact. And the flow. Where has this 5 series ingredients? Where has it been before? Hello everyone, welcome back to ZIKKIE'S world. How are you doing? My name is Ngozi. How are you doing? It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon over here. So guys, I just came back from church, and how are you guys doing? I hope you have a beautiful Sunday. And we just came back from church. I've settled my husband and my children. Now it's my time. Now it's mommy's time. I am really hungry because it's 2:10 p.m. I'm really hungry. I want to eat. But in today's video, I want to share with you guys something that I've learned from Auntie Flo Chinyere, All Nigerian Recipe. I really want to take up this challenge of 5 ingredients series. She did a jollof rice 5 ingredients, and this one I said I must do this because I've been craving for abacha for a very long time. I went to the extent of buying a Thai eggplant, that is the closest eggplant that you can see that looks like Nigerian eggplant. So she has been doing this challenge. This is the second one. I said I must try because I'm really craving for abacha. So today I am going to try making this abacha, Nigerian abacha, using this only 5 ingredients. And I believe that these 5 ingredients, you can find it around your kitchen. I said to myself, I can do this. So guys, I want to make lunch for myself. I want you guys to go along with me as we follow her steps and create this Nigerian abacha. And let's see how it's going to come out. And I want to stick on those 5 ingredients. I do not want to add more. I do not want to reduce, but I just want to make sure that I use that 5 ingredients that she used. Yes, I'm really hungry. I don't want to talk too much. I want to start doing it so that I can eat. Please, be quick. If you see this video, share it. I want Auntie Chinyere to see it. I know she might not know me, but I want her to see it because I put down in the comment section that I must try this 5 ingredient series of making Nigerian abacha, and I'm trying it now. I hope Auntie Chinyere, I hope that you see this video. I hope that you see this video. So guys, yeah, let's start making this immediately. So guys, this is the fish. Wash it. They wash it for me and they clean it, you see. So they take out every of the intestines and guts, everything that we don't need. So here is the onion. She used red onions and I'll be using red onions as well. So this is the spinach we'll be using. And then inside here is my edible potash, which is called akam. I soaked it for about 20 minutes now. And then this is my oil. I don't have too much oil. I'll be going to African store to get oil, but this oil will be enough for me because I am the only one eating this abacha. So it will be enough for me. I'm not making much. And also this is the salt. And guys, this is it. This is the abacha we're going to be using to make this abacha. So yeah, this is it. We're going to soak it. So the first thing, just to soak the abacha. So we are going to use cold water on the abacha like we did. There is this abacha. I can envision the way it's going to turn out, guys. Hey, so this is the abacha. We are going to set it aside. The more it stays like this, the more it's going to be soft. So I'm going to set it aside and prepare the macro. So I already washed my hand. So now we're going to smoke test, guys. I know somebody will say this is too long. Oh, as a more, I will not agree. Indicate by raising up your hand. Hey, good food is life, oh guys. So make sure you rub the inside and the outside. Rub a lot of not too much, just some salt. You don't need too much ingredients to smoke this fish. So you don't need too much ingredients. I think this salt is okay to make this fish. So over here, yeah, I've watched her closely, the way she did this. So we're going to open this and put the put this inside. You see, guys, this fish is really big, but anyhow, we're going to do this using this one. Hey, Emily Kwam the answer, guys. I won. Hey, awesome. Guys, this is it. Although I still have some oil, but at least you see it. This is the fish. So we're going to set it aside and preheat the oven. I already preheat the oven to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to bake it in the oven. Smoke it in the oven. That's even big. We're going to lay it here and start preparing our cutting the vegetables and the onions. So this. Oh, so allow it to smoke. So over here we're going to start cutting the onions. So I'll be using half. I will use half of the onions. See. So I'm going to use this one to garnish the onions, the abacha. What am I even saying? Do people garnish onions? See? So now I'm going to cut this into small. I saw a lot of people give it thumbs down. They didn't. I don't think that those people give this video a full watch before they give it thumbs down. She explained why she's using this only 5 ingredients, and she also said that if you want to see the full recipe of making, or the traditional way of making abacha, that you should click on the link that will pop up. So I don't see reasons why people will give this particular video thumbs down. One thing I've learned over the years about cooking is that cooking, is all about improvising. Sometimes you might say, oh, let me make it that way, let's see how it's going to taste. So I don't see the need of you giving it thumbs down. If you don't like it, walk out past. Oh, by the hey, this food is coming together. Are you in diaspora? You need to try this. So I am done cutting the spinach. I'm going to add it here as well by the side. Yeah, now I'm back together. So guys, this is the fish. Did you see how big this fish is?
Yeah, can you see the fish?
Yeah, so we're done with the fish. I'm going to break it. I'm going to break it. I will not be using all of them. I'll be using some. So I'm going to break it and show you guys.
Guys, say with me. The water is half open. So mommy, so mommy.
Okay, guys, so this is the fish. Let me show you. This is the fish. Enough enjoyment, guys, for this abacha. So this is the bowl I'll be using for the abacha, guys. So without wasting much of your time, let's start this thing. For the past how many minutes? This fish took me about 30 to 45 minutes to smoke. So now I'm going to be adding some oil. Yeah, I'll be adding.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, sweetie. For this to settle, I'm going to add a little bit. Begin to mix it. Auntie Flo will say, let it curdle. Let this oil curdle, guys. Curdling ministry. You don't want it to be too runny. Guys, this thing is coming. It's coming together, right? Right?
Yeah, right.
So guys, you'll be hearing my kids. They are here. I thought I would be done before they would just come down, but they are here with me. So guys, so let me show you how it looks like.
Wow.
So now we're going to start adding all the ingredients.
Yeah, we're adding England.
So we're going to add the onions.
The onions.
Yeah. Add the sliced spinach.
Spinach.
Yeah.
Spinach. Fried spinach.
So we're going to add the fish, guys. This meal is coming together. If not for any other thing, this fish. So now, yes, you can see this is very, very soft. So we're going to, like I said, I'm the only one eating this, so I'll not be making too much.
Whoa!
Okay. Yeah, so my people. Near one, guys. Keep stirring it. Stir. I don't want to add salt now until I'm done mixing it because the fish already have a salt in it, guys. This is it. The abacha is ready. Let's test it first.
I have salt meat.
Let's test for salt.
Yeah, let us with salt.
Chineke ora amara gozie nne ya n'aha Jesus. Say amen. Say amen.
Amen.
Just a little bit of salt. Continue mixing it until everything is well combined. Good abacha bacon. Good na abacha. Hey, let me serve this so that we continue from where we stop. But as I'm serving it, guys, I'm eating because I'm really hungry. So, guys, this is the moment to serve this food. These onions were just hi guys, this is really, really delicious. Like I said, I'm making this food the way Auntie Flo made it. So this is the abacha. This is so delicious. Hey, the moment of truth has come, guys. I've tried before, I want to try it again.
My didn't get a search. My didn't get a search.
Hey. Chimamang oh, didn't come for the fact. Guys, I don't even know what to say again. This is the fish. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And just look. Where has this 5 series ingredients? Where has it been before? You even did the one. Let me see. Says it that it's a taco abacha. Right? Hey, guys, this is so delicious. I'm not trying to exaggerate. Considering the only 5 ingredients that we used to make this, it came out as delicious. And it's really pretty easy. The only thing that took me time is the mackerel. As you can see over there, is the mackerel that took me about 35 minutes to smoke. Guys, you need to try this recipe. Madre mia! Madre mia! Now I understand, Auntie Flo. This is the reason why you are shouting Madre mia. Let me put this by this side and end this vlog. It is super delicious, guys. I know that we need ogiri, we need baka, we need all those things to make this abacha. But try making this abacha with just these 5 ingredients given to us by Auntie Flo, All Nigerian Recipe. Auntie Flo, I hope that you will see this my video. Remember, I told you I'm going to try it, and I've tried it. I'm using it for my lunch today. It's Sunday. I will go as much as I can to edit this video and upload it Monday morning. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And also, check Auntie Flo of All Nigerian Recipe. Whatever you want, any Nigerian food, snack, desserts, anytime, go and check her out. She's really an amazing sister. Organic and according fact. So all these things has been in existence. I was just here trying to figure out how I'm going to eat my abacha. Guys, I don't want to talk too much. I need to sit down and enjoy this abacha. So thank you so much for watching this video. And then to my new subscribers, you are welcome. And you that keeps coming back to my channel, I pray that God will bless you. Thank you guys so much. And then before I go, don't say I didn't invite you. She said that, Auntie Flo said that she don't want to be like what Peter Doche said, that if you are eating on social media and you invite someone to come and eat, that is wickedness. But it's normal, it's custom. You guys, you need to try this. You need to. I've already finished this one. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.